Abriza because we will be trying out. We'll be trying out the matcha. Dito na kami. We'll be...
Ay, natin sila stop?
Pero kita na tayo sa ano para hindi tayo parang ano. So, ang challenge natin kay makakuha ng 9 stops. Not necessarily na matcha lahat ang bilihin, pero
Ay, so tanan store ka na.
ba?
Pagsanap ka kayo.
Yeah, make a purchase from any participating merchant. So, kami na tulog direct. Ang first pick, matcha
Ay,
red.
isa-isa na lang sa ata.
Sige. Masay mo kang
Sa'yo mo.
so many people, guys.
Wait lang, na-overstimulate.
Dali, mag-ibot na lang sa ata. Mag-ibot na lang sa ata.
Davao Loki has one of the strongest matcha scenes in the Philippines right now. So of course, we had to check out the biggest matcha gathering in the city.
Akong pick tayo, matcha or reshi.
Okay. Ako kay girls drink matcha.
Okay ka lang, matcha people.
Matcha.
Ikaw, may napili ka na? Sa meal. Matcha meal. Ihatag lang ako ng stamp.
Ay, isa-isa na lang.
Sige, sige.
Before coming here sa Haymarket, Jan and Lime already had their own matcha hit list, especially yung mga hindi pa nila na-try in person. Then we made it fair, sea salt matcha lang for all, so each one of us picked one drink to taste test. The first one is matcha reshi, which is Jan's pick.
Hi, mister.
Before getting Limey's pick, we tried getting mine first from Matcha Mill. I already know them through Jan and Trina. They get their matcha powder here. It's a Davao-based matcha miller, so you don't have to look elsewhere for fresh matcha. They didn't have sea salt matcha, so we went with the white miso instead. They said it has a similar flavor profile. Hey Matcha People is actually one of those matcha brands you usually see at pop-ups and matcha fairs here in Davao. They don't really have a permanent cafe, so you'll only catch them during events like matcha festivals or bazaars. Kaya medyo limited lang siya. But that also makes it exciting to try.
Tapos sa kami we have more. Nadili matcha. Grabe na mo. Hindi na takatulog pa ako din. Ako pa naman palitan kayo mga Dubai Chili Cookie and whatever. So, hello guys! So, muna niya among order again. Matcha reshi sa kuha kay Limey Kai.
Hey, matcha people.
And,
Sushi. Ambot asa.
okay, ikaw,
I have matcha meal.
sea salt latte category. Natay guidelines.
Guidelines, guys.
Na-checklist kung unsa siya, unsa iyahang description as a matcha drink.
Okay, mauna sa... As a non-matcha drinker, anything sea salt kay ganahan ko. Dili ko ganag sweet kaayo. Mo lang.
This is hey matcha people, hey matcha people. Nagpila kayo na?
245.
245. Okay. Yung bitterness, is it smooth, balanced, or sharp?
Smooth, balance, or what?
Sharp. Like, bitter ba kayo siya or balanced lang siya? So, may
Sweeter side siya.
Sweeter side. So, I will say balanced. Yung flavor, is it grassy, nutty, milky?
Milky ra kayo.
Milky. Texture niya, creamy, smooth, watery, chalky,
Creamy siya na night siya pagka-choky kamay.
chalky, and creamy. Yung color kay green siya.
Green siya.
Yung foam, creamy.
Creamy.
Repeat, yes, maybe, or no?
Maybe. Ilawin na niya.
Okay, next drink is matcha ureshi. Matcha
Is it balanced?
Ano siya? Balance. Oh, wala siyang bitterness.
Overpowering yung cream cheese, no?
Grassy. Na nati. Na kayo mataste na nut.
Nati siya.
Nutty. Grassy and nutty.
Nati ra kayo eh. Nagibabaw ang nut.
Okay, tanggal natin ng grassy. Creamy siya. At naman yung kumutan na. Palalala ko mata. It's creamy and it's green and it's very creamy.
Nut ra kayo, no? Or nanisig sabi.
In fairness, inumin ko siya ulit.
Biggest, ano?
100 pesos. Green po siya. Nice siya color.
Yeah.
Sige. Pero magdidili ako sa taste.
Sige, go.
Sila?
Bitterness.
Hindi siya bitter. Ang kanyang milk nagigamit parang hindi siya usual na outside.
Okay.
Ano ko ang kanyang pagka-oat.
Okay. So, balance. Ano siya? Grassy, nutty, milky, toasty, fishy.
Nutty? Fishy?
Dapat. Oo. Wala.
Interesting.
Umami man ka pagka ano? Feeling ko.
Sila may kayo. Makano siyang notes. Kasi yung notes ni
ABC. Doremi. Milky ra kayo.
Milky.
Wala
Texture.
wala siya matcha.
Oh.
Na siya aftertaste. Tira pa.
Ay, oo.
Wala. Gatas siya. Gatas ni Jack. Pero, gatas na siya.
Medyo chalky siya.
Ang gatas niya, ano,
Overpower kayo ang gatas.
parang taho.
Oo, parang taho. Parang taho. Murag thin na kayo siya. Kaya siya creamy. Or feel ako tungod kay late na nato siya nainom. Hindi ko alam.
Tama po.
Pero mura siya taho bito.
Gatas na
Ilahang miso. Miso, ano na diba? Miso matcha. Equivalent sa ilang sea salt, but I don't know if it's sea salt good. That concludes our matcha taste test.
I like this better.
Matcha Reshi. Okay, we love you, Matcha Reshi. Matcha memory. So, hojicha na tayo ngayon. Gusto sa aning matcha.
Manifesting.
Ano ma? Dapat 3. Wow, perfect. Thank you. Hold on to that one. Proud of myself. So, kami na lang mga just guys, kaya wala na may lingkuranan. But,
We have Xiaolongbao.
Xiaolongbao,
Xiaolongbao.
CX and we have Lord the Lord. Dibay Chewy Cookie! Dibay Chewy Cookie, ano, tara? So, I'm kind of excited for the 4 flavored thingamabab.
Eh, the normal one.
Yeah.
Ano ba siguro? The
Yan
normal
ay
one.
Milky.
Milk. Bisco for sure. Kani ambot
Matcha,
lang.
guro ni.
Matcha. Sobra gis. Sige, kani ang first tries everyone. First bite.
First one.
Yummy. Kasrong sa na powder. Hindi na ako gets yung feeling.
Matcha.
Something. Next. Next on the list. I like this. Ano yan? Mahulog na. No? Lamig no? Ay. Ganun ko siyang feeling. Mura siya katong Kanang, ano yun ang taas na steak? O cream steak na white. No, cream steak na white na. Di ba? Is it blocking to you?
Okay, the original Dubai chewy cookie.
First bite. Ay, Nutella man na. Hala, wala tayong original.
Kapasin ka na yung original. I like it, I like it.
Last but not the least, I feel like Biscoff na.
Siya Dunkin Donut. Munchkin. Biscoff.
Hindi ko ganag anything Biscoff.
Oo.
Hindi ko na Biscoff flavor. Hindi na ako makita yung hype. Makita. Wala tayong original. Wala yung original. But, ako personally, white, choco, Biscoff, pistachio.
Basta ba?
This one? Matcha ba?
Basta ang powder. White, chocolate, Biscoff, matcha.
After trying the chewy cookies, we quickly moved on to the xiaolongbao because we suddenly started craving something salty.
Parang potato burner sa amin.
So yun na po yung aming
Wala.
attempt to vlog our matcha
So
journey.
far, matcha, yung sa kanina, matcha tasting was good. Except Alalubat na ka dyan.
Okay, bye guys. Bye the big political corner. Panoorin nyo kami sa susunod ng mga judging moments namin. Bye-bye.
Mga